Hey, what's up? I'm Joe. This is Matsu Excel. Let's talk iPad. Why am I excited about this? Well, as of today, depending on when you're watching, Final Cut Pro has finally been released for the iPad. And honestly, I think it's game changing. I'm not going to be here and give you a tutorial about how to use it, but I want to show you what can be done with a device like this. So this video is going to be edited fully on an iPad. I have a couple different videos I'm recording using two cameras, this simple light setup, and actually I think I changed my lighting in between because I just figured to make this work. But I'm recording this in a garage, and I'm going to edit this probably not in the garage, probably in my kitchen, but I'm not going to sit on a computer and edit this. This is all going to be done on here. So enough talk, enough walk. Let's start editing this video. You could full on like edit on this guy. It's actually pretty dope. You can load everything in. They made this so you could just sit here and edit. Like there's a scroll thumb thing right here where you could scroll it. You could pick something. You could choose whether you're changing volume. You're doing multicam if you want to cut it. Like it could come through here and this way. My inspector is all through on this side. This is actually probably one of the most innovative ways. And if I want to do some editing, and I could do a whole nother edit. Let me do it over here. I could do a little thing right here like pressure sensitive. Change the color. Right? And be like H2O. And I made this drawing on my iPad. So now check this out. Come in here. Let's go full screen. Like so. And now you can see my edits. Right? Hold on, there it is. That's the first one I did. And then the cool part is, like, you can customize now your callouts on an iPad video. How sick is that? You can buy plugins to do all your different callouts, but now you can be creative and do something like that. And I can edit it real quick here, be like, oh wait, that's too long. So here's where it really comes in, where now you can use just your two hands. Like boom, H2O, and I can actually close it and I can trim it there. And then I can come back and look at it. And so look, now I can just scroll on the scroll wheel and be like, yo, H2O. Then I can actually do an edit of animation. And I want to change its position to opacity, right? And I want to change it so here's the first opacity. And then I want to go to the end of the clip. And then I want to put another keyframe here. And I'm going to go to my inspector and take my opacity to nothing. So now, if I come back here, bring it up, full screen, you can see how that works. Where it comes up and then I fade it away right after. How freaking sick is this? They really made this for two-handed. But again, look, I'm not the kind of guy to show you how to edit with this. There are way better people who are good at it, but just the power that we have now to create with a camera, like the camera I stream with. This is the camera I stream with. I can take this camera now, record my content for all offline use, or shoot, I could save my streams, pop it onto a hard drive, load it up on my iPad, and wherever I'm on the go. Like maybe I'm between classes, or maybe I'm at a friend's house, and I can actually sit here and make edits and stuff like that. Future Joe, I just thought it'd be kind of cool to show you that I'm literally editing this video on here. I'm recording on my phone, and I'm going to upload my phone video to the iPad and edit it. So, Future Joe, past Joe, back to the video. This is game changer, guys. At the end of the day, you want to be able to use the tools that you have, and honestly, just having another tool like this is going to be great for everybody in the long run. And honestly, it's just pushing the boundaries. Like we thought what that ceiling was for devices to help create content is just going to keep raking that ceiling more and more. Think about if Android could have a tablet that could do that. The fact that you have such a high level computing and a CPU and a device like this is mind-boggling, all right? This is just going to continue to break that ceiling where we can get more devices, maybe Windows devices, Android devices, and everyone can start being able to create content on a device like this. I can't wait for that day. And this is just the start. And that's why I'm excited. So hopefully you guys are excited too. You enjoyed seeing this and seeing just what can be made. And encourage you guys, get out there, hit record, start doing your shit. Damn, I gotta stop cursing.